Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to find all the sent media by date on WhatsApp for PC using the new update. Whether you're trying to locate a specific photo, video, or file, this quick method will save you time and effort. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll see a small menu with several icons, messages, calls, and more. Click on the one that looks like a media icon. This is where all your shared files are neatly organized and easy to browse. Next, choose media from the options that appear. This section displays every image, video, and document that's been shared across your chats. If you're searching for something specific, you don't need to scroll endlessly anymore. WhatsApp's new update makes sorting incredibly simple. Now, move to the top of the window. You'll notice a small sort icon right there. Click on it. A few sorting options will appear, letting you organize your media the way you prefer. To filter by sender and date, choose You. This will show all the media that you personally sent. Once you've selected You, look for the date or period option. Here, you can choose the exact time frame you're interested in. Maybe it's last week, last month, or even a specific day. After setting the period, WhatsApp will automatically arrange your sent media from that time, so you can easily find what you're looking for without any hassle. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can now sort and find every photo, video, or file you've sent on WhatsApp for PC, perfectly organized by date. This feature is especially helpful for reviewing past conversations or retrieving media for work or personal use. If you found this walkthrough useful, take a moment to keep exploring the other new features WhatsApp has added in recent updates. You might discover even more handy tools waiting for you.